In today's digital era, personalization is everywhere in our daily lives. Manufacturers are looking for more personalized and value-adding experiences for their workforce, in line with the fast-changing personalized demand of consumers and markets. Opcenter Execution Foundation supports the manufacturing journey, from product ideation to realization. On top of this, we now offer more personalized and human-centered operations in a faster and more convenient way. Introducing low-code personalization for Opcenter Execution Foundation with Mendix embedded. Two Siemens solutions join forces.
We're one of the few vendors that provide rich MES capabilities augmented by a low-code development platform for UI personalization. Being able to adapt to customers' needs allows them to become more agile and innovative. This results in a major competitive advantage. We need to extend the scope of our MES and make it more flexible to support evolving needs.
Maximizing the rich and mature MES platform by unleashing the power of low-code capabilities, manufacturers can take ownership of the UI personalization and co-creation. We offer user-centric engagement with multi-experience flexibility, empowering business and IT users to create user experiences more fitting to their business processes and people.
Our customer asks for ease in combining different data stream and tools with personalization capability to create a holistic overview of the manufacturing operation. Mendix is a fast and easy way to build, integrate and extend application for purpose-built personal adaptation. Embedded with Opcenter Execution Foundation, we bring this experience down to the shop floor, where core initiatives and valuable ideas turn into application for increased process efficiency.
This synergy allows manufacturers to meet new business demands in a fast and agile manner. Additionally, the reduction of implementation and maintenance costs allows to focus on continuous innovation. Our daily commitment to enabling personalized manufacturing operations.